In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text transparent in Google Slides. This can be a useful technique to add a layer of subtlety and creativity to your presentations, whether you're looking to overlay text on images or simply want a soft effect that integrates seamlessly with your slides. I'll walk you through two main methods you can use to achieve this effect in a clear and easy-to-follow manner. First, we'll explore how to make text transparent using WordArt. Start by navigating to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select WordArt. A new pop-up will appear where you can type in the text you want to display on your slide. Once you've entered your text and hit Enter, you will see it displayed as WordArt on your slide. Now, click on your WordArt text to bring up the formatting options. Look for the Fill Color icon, which resembles a small paint bucket. Clicking on this icon will bring up a color palette. Instead of selecting a color, choose Transparent. This will make your text clear and allow it to blend into your background or images naturally. The second method involves using a transparent shape and involves a few additional steps to ensure your text stands out in just the right way. Again, start by going to Insert in the top menu, but this time select Shape from the drop-down menu. You'll see a variety of shapes you can insert. For this purpose, a simple rectangle works best, but feel free to choose another shape if it better suits your design. Drag the corners of the shape so it fully covers the text box containing your text. It's important to properly size and position this shape to perfectly align it with your text. After positioning, select your shape and again click on the Fill Color icon. Choose Transparent from the options. This effectively places a transparent layer over your text box, giving the appearance of transparent text. For those looking for a semi-transparent effect, there's an additional customization step you can take. Select your shape and click on the Fill Color icon, then choose Custom Color. Here, you'll see a transparency slider you can adjust to control just how see-through you want your text overlay to appear. Keep in mind, transparency can add a sophisticated or understated feel to your presentations, but overdoing it might result in readability issues. Be sure to adjust your text's color to create enough contrast with your background, ensuring it remains easy to read. Remember, a little bit of transparency can go a long way and enhance your slides without overwhelming them. These two methods should cover most of your needs when it comes to integrating transparent text into your Google Slides presentations.